Remodeling your home should be a rewarding experience, not a stressful one. Hi, I'm Jeremy with Phoenix Home Remodeling. We have made it our mission to remove the chaos and the worry from the remodeling process. Our dedicated team takes care of every detail from planning to cleanup so you don't have to. You'll have a dedicated project coordinator and an in-house designer guiding you every step of the way. Together, we'll bring your vision to life, keeping you informed and comfortable throughout the process. With over 100 5-star reviews, an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and the winner of multiple awards, you can trust that you are in good hands. We're committed to providing high-quality craftsmanship and exceptional service. And with our 2-year guarantee, you'll have peace of mind knowing your home is protected long after the remodel is complete. So why wait any longer to create your perfect space? If you'd like to take the next step, schedule a consultation with our remodel expert. There's no obligation, no sales, just help. You can easily schedule your complimentary consultation right from our website, or you can text or call us at 602-492-8205.